Well, I don't have a name for this effect.
Used to be frightened, jumping from mountains, but now I'm enlightened. Life is no island, just let the light in.
Today's video is sponsored by the YouTube policeman. This effect is not the mind-blowing awesome and insane effect like others are doing, but it's a good timing for me to flex my knowledge of complicated expression. Bring a duplicate node after your clip. Increase the copies to 20, and bring the blend slider to 0.5. Right-click to the time offset slider, and select to modify it with shake. Go to the modifiers tab, and bring down the smoothness slider. Right-click to the minimum slider, and select expression. Write down this expression, minus time divided by 10. Right-click to the maximum slider, and use this super expression, time divided by 10. If you liked this clip, subscribe to this channel. If you didn't, you can complain all you want.